everyone. Happy New Year to you. I am Kelly Shaffner, and I am tickled that you are spending a little bit of your holiday with me today. I want to wish everyone a very happy, healthy, safe, and prosperous 2022. I love new beginnings. They just hold a lot of promise, and I decided, you know what? I am going to start the new year off with something I love. It's at the very top of my things that I enjoy with reselling, and that is a mystery box filled with shoes. This is a ThredUp mystery box. 15 pairs of shoes. The cost is $80. Free shipping. This box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and it arrived at my doorstep beat up. It has been sitting in my garage for a little while, and it is chock full, guys. This one is heavy. I do have it set up on a bin here, but it looks like this, and I'm dying to get into it. I don't know about you, but anytime I have a mystery box sitting in my house, I'm always so curious if there's something really good in this box that I should have listed like yesterday. But I like to share my unboxings with you, so I am going to get into this box. What is this? Okay, like I'm looking at this, which looks like a purse. And this says, Cinderollies, be sweet to your feet. It looks like that. It's new with tags. Cinderollies, size 8.5 to 9.5. Okay. This is kind of an odd thing. I've never received anything like this. So they look like this. These are portable ballet flats. So I guess, you know, you could put these in your purse. Okay. All right. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm going to put all of the comps on the screen so you can follow along, and we'll see if this is a good box of shoes. I'm really hoping for boots in this box. And on the top, I see heels. And ThredUp always sends heels. And this is what the first pair looks like. Black heels. Oh, they look really worn. These are Mark Fisher. That's what the inside looks like. Mark Fisher. Let me see. A little bit of wear on the heels there. These look to be a pretty good size. I will share the sizes with you if I can find them right offhand. I don't see the size on these. It's printed on the back of the shoe, and it's super faint, and I don't have my spectacles on. So Mark Fisher, black heels. I've sold Mark Fisher before. I'm not real excited about black pumps from Mark Fisher, but oh my God, you guys, these are Olakai. Okay, this is 030. I wonder if these came from a thrift store. You see that right there? 030. The fish hook here, that is always an indication of this brand. I found this brand a couple times now, and it sells very, very quickly. These look pretty small. This is the Huaka, Huaka, and these are a woman's size 6. So little canvas slip-on shoes in pretty good condition. If I was going to send shoes into ThredUp, I would remove all of thrift store price tags, but that's just me. Next up, we have a pair of Cork Wedges, and these are Sam Edelman. They look like this. It looks like leather, a leather strap on top, and these are dirty on the bottom. And what size are you? 7.5. So these need a cleaning, but other than that, they're not in season, but they look like they're in pretty good condition. I can sell these, no problem. I like selling Sam Edelman. Another pair of heels, black heels. I always like to look at the heel. And, oh, these are Stuart Weitzman, guys. Stuart Weitzman, and you can see it better probably on the inside there. So that's just a really classic black pump. It's probably a 3-inch heel on it, and this is what the bottoms look like. Let's check the toes. Okay, a little bit of wear on the toes. I mean, it's minute. Okay, all right. ThredUp has been really good about sending me Stuart Weitzman lately, so I do like that. Guys, I see something red. These look fabulous red high top Converse, and these are like a deep red laces on these high top Converse. Okay, these are a little bit different. I don't know if you can tell, but this is not the typical canvas. This is more, it feels like a cloth. Let me see if I can get up close so you can see the texture on these. These are nice. Converse, yeah, they look good. What size are they? These are a women's size 8. That's my size. I've never worn high top Converse, but I might have to take these for a spin. I'll list them for sale, but I might need to try those. Red are my favorite. Red is my favorite color. And Danskos. Yeah, these are Danskos. Okay, this is a pair of big Dansko Clogs, and they do have a floral detail on them. These are a size 42. There's a spot right there on the insoles, but these are in really nice condition. Okay, this has got like a wood heel. Is it? No, this is a rubber heel. It looks like wood, but let's bend it. And I sure hate if these crumbled on camera, but they appear to be in really nice condition. This is what the bottoms look like. Okay, I'll take these. Yeah, that's a good pair. Okay, next up, I can see on the bottom, these are Corso Como, size 6.5. They look brand new. I can see where a tag, that needs a little Goo Gone to take that tag residue off. A little smashed up, but this is a loafer. It's almost like a D'Orsay loafer, and it does have kind of a gunmetal mirrored heel on it. Okay, they're a small size 6.5, but they're a really cute little loafer shoe. Yeah, a casual shoe, and they do feel like real leather. I've never sold Corso Como, but I'm familiar with the brand. I have tried them before. Another pair of black shoes by the brand Torrid. Okay, I like selling Torrid shoes. They tend to do pretty well for me. These are a size 9W. I think that's wide. Torrid does sell a lot of wide shoes, and I think that's why they do well. So this has got a scalloped edge there, and this is a faux leather, but these look like they're in pretty good condition. They do have some gunk on the bottom of them, so I'll have to clean that off. But otherwise in decent condition. You guys, I see some boots. These look really interesting to me. Okay, I can feel them and know that they're not Doc Martens, but this is a platform white. I'm guessing this is not leather. Kind of a combat boot. These are in pretty good shape. There's a ding there. Who are they? I know, I'm dying to know too. Who are they? These are Divided. Okay, H&M, will you be able to see that? Divided, H&M. There's some pet hair or fuzz right there. What size? US size 8.5. Would I wear those? I wouldn't wear white, I don't think. Okay, these are a little bit rougher. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. But there's a little scuffing on the toes there, a little bit more scuffing. Sorry, guys. Sorry about the lighting today. But yeah, I like these. I'm sure Buy Sell Trade would like these. I have no idea. I've never sold H&M shoes, so I'm not sure how these would do, but they're cute. They are on trend, and I think I can sell these. The question is, where will I sell those? If I'll sell them myself or not. Okay, a sandal. And this is what the sandals look like. They're gray. This is not leather. This almost feels like a scuba material. And the back of them are leather. These are Donald J Pliner. I love selling this brand. It doesn't sell fast, but it does sell well. These are a size 9.5. Okay, happy to get those larger sizes. And this one still has a bit of price tag residue on it. But yeah, they look pretty good. They need a wipe down, but they're in pretty good shape. Let's see. Oh, some more Cork Wedges. Charles by Charles David. Okay. I've sold this brand before and it sold slowly. But these, size 9, they're in decent condition. Let's see, a little bit of toe marks in them. And the suede looks pretty good. It's sometimes hard to tell if, you know, what the condition is on suede. I will brush them before I get them listed, and these will probably sell in the springtime. That's a pretty high heel though. I would say that's about 4.5 inches, but these are in good condition. And okay, another pair of boots. Yes, boots. Okay, they look like this. And these are leather, and this is a really soft leather boot by, oh, okay, it's really super faded. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, guys, but it says Lucky Brand. So these are Lucky Brand booties, and these are, I can't read it, size 9.5. Black leather Lucky Brand booties, and they almost have a quilting kind of effect on the back. There is some creasing on the top, and they have this zipper detail. Let's see if the zippers work. Yeah. I wonder if it works on both sides. No, but it does have zipper detail on both sides. These they look wide to me, but they're in decent shape, so I'll take those. Lucky Brand boots do very well for me. What? Oh my God. Oh my, these are so little. Guys, these are Rothy's. Rothy's in my throat. Oh, it's going to be a good year. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've sold Rothy's before. I have found Rothy's, and these are, I don't know if you can see, but they do seem to have like some pilling. I don't know if that is something that happened on their journey, okay, the thing I do know about Rothy's is they are washable. These are a size women's 6. And this label is super faded. So, let me see. One of the things about Rothy's, I'll show you. If you're a Rothy's expert, you can weigh in. Okay, this does have, so you want to look at the stitching on the back of the insole there. And I don't know. I don't know about these, to be honest with you. What do they say? Rothy's size 6. This is what the bottoms look like. They look like this. Guys, I'm going to have to investigate a little further. I will let you know if I discover anything on the screen here, if these are real or not. These are a little small. They are going to provide me with a new experience of learning how to clean Rothy's. I do think they're machine washable. I don't know if I'm comfortable throwing Rothy's in the washing machine, but I do think these need a little cleanup. They might be the dirtiest shoes in the entire box, and I'm curious if, yeah, see, even this tag, both of the tags look a little faded. I wonder if they've been washed before. The size does not look faded, but I don't know. I really don't know about these, because I'm not a Rothy's expert. I wish I found enough Rothy's out there in the wild or in my ThredUp boxes to become an expert on Rothy's, but so this kind of makes the box a whole lot of fun. I will tell you too, I have received counterfeit product in my ThredUp boxes, and I contact them and they have always given me a credit. So if these turn out not to be real, I will be able to get like my $5.55 credited back to my account. So that's cool. And is this the last one? We got to the end of the box already, and it's a pair of boots, and they are tall boots, and they feel like leather. These are a heavy duty boot. They have this like Sherpa fur lining in them. Is it all the way down? Oh, it's all the way down, even to the toes. And a big chunky heel on them. Lug soles. Who are you? These are bear paws. You see that there? It says it also, the buckle is branded. And these look like a pretty nice size. Okay, here's the tag. Let me see. What's the tag say? US size 9. So that's a good size. Oh, these need a brushing and probably need a flame taken to them. They do have some spots. I don't know if that will brush out or, I mean, I don't think they look that bad though. Yeah, that's a nice boot. Let me see, is anything wrong with this one? Needs a wipe down. Okay. All right. You know what? I'm happy that I did receive some boots in this box. The Bear Paws, the Lucky brand, and the H&M boots. So boots are selling really well for me right now, and I'm prepared for springtime with some Cork Wedges. So I think this is a pretty decent box. What do you think? I mean, let's all just cross our fingers that those Rothy's are the real deal, because they will almost pay for this box and the rest will be profit if they are real. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you very soon. Like I said, I do have another ThredUp unboxing coming your way, as well as some other fun content planned for you. Happy holidays to all of you. Thank you for watching, and blessings.